Okay guys, so if your Windows 10 11 don't want to boot, there is a way on how to fix this. You need to access option automatic repair. So how to access this option? Try to restart your computer 3 times, or simply hold power on button on your laptop or keyboard on laptop usually, and hold it while it's hard restart. After that you will see such option, and here you need to go to advanced option. Here we need to go to troubleshoot and select advanced options. After that we need to go to command properties. Click on command properties and you will see menu like this. So here we need to enter few commands in order to fix our computer booting menu. So we need to access drive. Where is your Windows located? Usually it's drive C. So what you need to do is enter here C like this, yeah, and hit enter. After that click on enter command dir and hit enter as well. If you are in a correct drive, you should see all these files: perflogs, program files, Windows, yeah. If you see work files, you can type here different drive, different letter like D. Usually in all computers there are two drives, C and D. You can switch drive like this, yes. Simply put here a correct drive. So after that you need to, yeah, so after that next command what you should enter is cd slash windows slash system32 slash config, and press enter again, and after that enter following command md backup, hit enter again. It should back up all your files. Okay, so we are now in entering command copy star dot star backup and hit enter again. So here is how it looks like: 10 files copy, so backup done. Type next command cd recback and hit enter again. Now click on type dir, click enter, and here you should see numbers. In my case it's all zeros, but in your case should be some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 5 and hit tab, yeah. So here we need to type another command what should help us to fix startup problem. So the command is copy star point star 2 dots and hit enter, and it will ask all right files or no. So yes, click on all, and after that type exit and hit enter. Last what you should do is choose option exit and continue to Windows 10, and after that everything should work fine, guys.